Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just filmed a video setting up May 2023 in 3 of my planners. Uh, this time around, I'm just going to set up a week because I used, and this is my work week, because I used the Sassyplannernerd sticker kit. I wanted to show what happens on a weekly basis. So this is how my month looks like. I will fill in this month as soon as I'm done filming, because this is my work planner. Most of these things are confidential. Again, I will blur this out, but in the blur also you'll see this is how I decorate my work week, and it is beautiful. So I just wanted to decorate one of the work weeks with you. But this is May. I write forward-looking calls or forward-looking meetings or forward-looking things to do in my a work planner. Again, it is not decorated. I decorate it as per my mood. So my first week of May, there is a lot of things written, so I can't decorate. My second week of May, there is one thing written which is annoying me, but I do not want to decorate this. Just in all openness, I want to tell you all that I would like to decorate my third week of May. I know that it may sound weird at this point, but I wanted to really show you all how do I decorate my weeks. So that is the reason I'm just decorating 2 or 3 weeks from now. But it is important that you guys see. So the first thing that I definitely want to do is put up this really cute washi. It is one of the cutest washies that I've ever seen. So as soon as I saw it, I knew this would go on my weeks page. And this is pretty large, so on my monthly page this wouldn't have been possible because it would have covered up a lot of things. I do not personally write accomplished or grateful for or anything of that sort, so this remaining washi would go right here. I also want to use days of the week as much as I can. So here it's just a small M, T, W and all of that. So I just want to use large portions of these. I would love to have a really thin washi there, possibly this gold foil washi, but I'm not sure. It will just look too much over the top. But a thin washi would have worked. Back in the day, I used to actually cut these washi tapes, but I realized if you cut this washi tape, the entire artwork goes for a toss. So I'm not going to ruin it. So this is how I would start. I would like to cover these headers too, but this is slightly bigger. Let me just bring in my scissors and chip this off. And my last header would go here. This is also slightly bigger. Let me cut this off as well. So I have my headers in place. I would like to put up a few of these boxes. So I am aware of the fact that these should last me the entire week or the entire month. So I'm rationing this to 1 or 2 each week. So this I'm hoping to put up here. And my to-do banner, which I have so many, should be here. And of course with it I want this neutral color to-do list, and I'm just going slightly outside because to write all your to-do in this space, it's slightly this, so I've just gone over this line here. And as usual, one thing that I definitely missed out here, which I think I should have added, is my recurring meetings, which should be on the other side in my monthly calendar, but on the weekly also some important meetings on an everyday or one task a day. If I want to write, I will write that there. I would like to highlight one task or two tasks a day. Let me see, what can I use? So what I'm going to do is use these boxes just to have 2 or 3 priorities of the day to be marked here. And I'm just going to alternate between plain boxes and I'm just going to alternate between plain boxes and these really fancy boxes. And I want to be put up right at the top of each day. So I think since this is pink, I would like to keep it here. And the neutral one complementing the pink of Wednesday right here. And Friday to be right here. So essentially what my plan is that I will put up the most important thing right here. I can put up an elaborate things to do as well here, but I will do that probably next week or this week. But this is how technically my week will look like. Other weeks I may put up these washies. Where is my washi? This I would like to use all of these washies, but not right now. In one of the weeks I will put them up also. So as you can see, I use this kit pretty much for the entire month, and this is how my weekly spreads typically tend to look like. I don't put up washi on this page because this is essentially Wednesday and I will require this much space to write it. Generally weekends I don't write anything here. I could have done with a nice artwork here or anything of that sort, but generally I generally don't put up weekend tasks here, if only something that I am reminded of at work and I don't have my personal planners. That is when I will write my personal things to do on Saturday and Sunday. But other than that, this is how my week generally looks like in my work planner. I extensively use the habit tracker. I extensively use the to-do list here. So this is all used properly. That is it. This was a very short and fast setup for my week. If you don't know why was I gone for the last 1 month, please watch my last video. I have explained myself there. Also, if you like what you see, please do subscribe to the channel. I'll be truly grateful for you. Please do let me know any other comments, feedbacks that you have. I'll be happy to listen to them. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Have a nice day. Bye now.